Hi, my name is Kaya Vate. I'm 13 years old and I play guitar. I also love to train athletics. I am a huge Barca fan, like my friend Spela, and I can't wait to see you in Spain.
Hello, my name is Spela, I'm 13 years old and I play piano. But my one and only passion is Barca. Because Barca is life, Barca is everything to me. And Kyle, the parrot. So yeah, happy to see you in Spain.
Hi, I'm Nika. I'm about to be 14 years old. I train volleyball and I'm in love with an Aussie band, 5 Seconds of Summer.
Hi, I'm Nina Esenek and I am 13 years old. I live in Svetelka with my mom, dad and my brother. In my free time I like to dance, play basketball and listen to music. I am so excited to see you all in Spain. Bye.
Hi, I'm Lucia Lauvic. I'm 14 years old. I live in Shedina with my mom, dad and my 2 brothers. In my free time, I like to play badminton and watch ski jumping. I'm looking forward to see you in Spain. See you!
Hi, I'm Isa Verko and I live in Dranja. I'm 12 years old and in my free time I like reading, playing flute, dancing and listening to music. I'm so happy to see you in Spain. Bye!
Hi, and I am Nita. I am 13 years old and I live in Dranja. I have one younger brother, Sweet. In my free time I like to draw, ride horses and read books. And I also play guitar in music school. I can't wait to see you in Spain. Bye!